If you need peace of mind, have industry leaders inspect your warehouse. We're trusted by the 2 largest warehouse networks in the United States and the 5th largest 3PL in the world. We sit on the RMI Safety Standards Committee, meaning we literally help draft the industry standards that will help keep American warehouses safe. So why does a professional rack inspection even matter? You need to understand that pallet racking is a system. It's not just a single component, each piece working together as a whole. You damage one piece and you'll damage the load-bearing capacity of the entire system. Inspecting each and every part within that system is critical of keeping the whole system operational and safe. To understand the invisible danger of what happens to that system when one part just gets damaged, let's do this object lesson. This is a 16-foot 2x4, and it can hold up to 350 pounds before being crushed under that weight. Now, if we double those boards into the same structure that a warehouse racking frame looks like with this Z pattern, it not only doubles it to 700 pounds, it exponentially increases the weight that it can carry up to 5,000 pounds. Now, what would happen if we were to break just a single part within this racking system? What would be the load capacity reduction that we should expect? Reduces exponentially. Instead of 5,000 pounds, it can be reduced down to 1,500 pounds. It's not intuitive and it's not something your everyday person can catch. That's why it's so critical to have your rack inspected by a professional. Every single point of damage, because every column deflection, every missing anchor point, beam deflection, strut damage, every dent to a column, every change of beam height that's unauthorized or missing clips on a beam, or uneven loading can cause load-bearing rack capacity to be lost within your system. That means you could just put an extra 100 pounds on your rack or just have the right strike from a forklift to cause a collapse within your warehousing system. Don't let the untrained eye miss critical components that could be causing your rack to be losing load-bearing capacity. That is why professional inspections are so critical to keep you safe and operational. Here's another problem. Some companies will cause you to wait a whole month before their inspector will even show up on site. And then they'll ask you to wait a whole nother month for them to deliver their report. And then another month additional for them to manufacture and deliver rack repair kits, causing you to wait up to 3 months from damage to rack repair. We call this the damage delay gap, and it's a serious problem within our industry. The amount of time that your racks sit out of compliance with lower load capacity is a severe liability hazard, or if you choose to unload all your racks, you're going to experience serious downtime and delays within your system waiting for that rack capacity to come back online. This is a huge problem within our industry, and Upright has a solution with rapid rack inspections. We can get rapid inspection teams there quickly, within 24 hours if needed. Then you will receive a report of the components that are out of compliance in your warehouse in need of repair. And then we'll furnish you with a waitlist estimate so you'll know exactly what it costs to repair each one of those pieces. And then we can surge our teams to repair your rack quickly in as little as 24 hours using our patented pallet rack repair kits that can be customized in as little as 20 minutes rather than a month. We can even provide certified stamped drawings or load capacity plaques for your operations, positioning you for long-term success with operational safety and efficiency. Upright isn't just an inspection team. We're a turnkey solution that moves from inspections to rack repair to rack guards to upgrades within your facilities, installations of equipment and safety features, and expansions of your warehouse. We're an invaluable multi-tool for warehouse operations. Stop the damage delay gap and start operating efficiently. Protect your people, protect your operations. Eliminate the damage delay gap. Stop waiting. Call Upright Warehouse Solutions today.